All right, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an initial startup on a Traeger grill. I bought a Traeger Tailgater. I'm going to do a review on it after this, but I thought doing a video over the initial startup would be a good idea. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your Traeger is plugged in. Mine's already plugged in. There's an on and off switch in the back. Flip that. So this is actually your control board in the front. But before you hit anything on that, you want to open up your Traeger and take everything out of it. I've actually already fired this one up and done this, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to go through this entire process one more time. So you're gonna have a book and all that stuff in here, but before you heat it up, you want to take all this stuff out. I haven't cooked on this thing yet, by the way. But you're gonna pull all this stuff out. I've only started it. I haven't cooked on it yet. I know it looks like it. And next thing you're gonna do is shut your lid. And you wanna fill your hopper with pellets. It's an 8-pound hopper. Fill it with pellets. Next thing you're gonna do is turn this up to high. Sorry, I just gotta hit a temperature you want to go to and then hit ignite. And you literally just want to turn this thing up to as high as it'll go. I think it's 450. And you literally just let that hit temp. And the reason behind that, so it's at 91 degrees. I'll actually time it and see how long it actually takes to a hit temperature. But and I'll tell you guys right now, but then you want to let it run on high for about 45 minutes. I've seen different reviews that say 30 to 45 minutes, but I'm just gonna let mine run for 45 minutes. And the reason behind this is because when this thing's manufactured, so like anything with steel stamping. Okay, so anything with steel stamping, like all these parts are stamped out of a press, and anything with steel stamping, it's gonna have some kind of leftover oil residue on the parts, and the idea is just to let all that burn off. So during the initial startup, this is it's at 116 degrees, but you're gonna get a lot of smoke coming out. I think I might have missed it, but it did just have a bunch of smoke coming out. You can actually hear it humming. That's everything burning, and I'll actually give you a quick view of the inside real quick. So that's your burner box. But again, you're gonna let this thing hit 450 degrees. As you can tell, it's really heating up now. 336, 343. Let it get to 450 and let it run for about 45 minutes. And I'm about 5 minutes in, and again, at the end of this video, I'll tell you how long it took to get up to temp. Actually, it doesn't even matter. It's already up to temp. I don't even think it took 5 minutes. I think it's hot though. But anyways, just let it run at that temperature for about 45 minutes, and then we'll be good to put everything back in, all the internal components, that stuff. It'll be ready to cook on. Okay, so this thing leveled out in heat pretty well. 463. It's been staying about maybe like 440 to 465 or so. Anyways, I will link this all in the description. You can go ahead and turn down the heat, or you can just turn it off, whatever you would like to do. But anyways, after it's cooled off, you can go ahead and put your internal components back in, and it's ready to be used. Okay, so this thing ran for about 45 minutes, and still a little bit of a fire going inside the firebox. I'm gonna start putting everything back together. Just be careful not to touch anything like I just did. It's just your drip pan. You're literally just putting everything back together the exact same way you took it out. And then put your grate back on. That's it, guys. Your Traeger's ready to be used. I'll link this this grill in the description. The pellets. Pretty much all I have right now. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do a review video in a minute, but I'll link this in the description also, because the Traegers don't come with these little trays in the front. Anyways, make sure to subscribe. I'm out.